Hello everybody. Today our lesson is Little by Little. So today we are going to read this poem that is Little by Little. Students, nature teaches us lot of things. So let's think about the values that can be learnt from nature. Some of the values that we can learn from nature are patience, love, care, determination. So now I am going to recite this poem for you, and after that I will tell you the summary and I will explain the poem stanza wise. So let's start. Little by little an acorn set as it slowly sank in its mossy bed. I am improving every day, hidden deep in the earth away. Little by little, each day it grew. Little by little, it sipped the dew. Downward it sent out a thread-like root. Up in the air sprung a tiny shoot. Day after day and year after year, little by little the leaves appear, and the slender branches spread far and wide till the mighty oak is the forest's pride. Little by little, said a thoughtful boy, moment by moment, I will well employ, learning a little every day and not spending all my time in play. And still this rule in my mind shall dwell, whatever I do, I will do it well. Little by little, I will learn to know the treasured wisdom of long ago. And one of these days, perhaps we will see that the world will be the better for me. And do you not think that this simple plan made him a wise and useful man? So, even in this poem you can see that even the biggest tree, that is oak tree, even the biggest trees begin life as tiny seeds. So now let's read about how the little acorn grew big. As you can see in the picture is showing you the process of germination. See, first a seed is sown, then the tiny roots, okay, and the tiny root of the plant grows downward. Simultaneously you will see a tiny shoot of the plant appears above the ground, and finally the seed grows into a mighty tree. So this is the process of germination, and from the process of germination we can learn patience, hard work. Okay, it teaches you the value of patience, the value of efforts, hard work. Now I will read the poem stanza wise. Little by little an acorn said as it slowly sank in its mossy bed, I am improving every day, hidden deep in the earth away. In the Little by Little poem, it describes how an acorn improves and enhances itself over the years as it lies buried deep underneath the earth. Now, what is the meaning of this acorn? Acorn means the small brown nut of an oak tree. What is the meaning of mossy? Mossy means covered with moss a small green flowerless plant growing in soft thick clumps. So moss is a small green flowerless plant that grows in soft thick clumps. Little by little, each day it grew. Little by little, it sipped the dew. Downward it sent out a thread-like root. Up in the air sprung a tiny shoot. What is the meaning of dew? Dew means tiny droplets of water on leaves. A root of the plant grows downward. Simultaneously, a tiny shoot of the plant appears above the ground. And so this acorn, what happened to it? It sipped the dew and it started growing. Day after day and year after year, little by little, the leaves appear, and the slender branches spread far and wide, till the mighty oak is the forest's pride. Thereafter, the leaves appear on it. Soon after that, the slender branches. What is the meaning of slender? The meaning of slender is thin. Slender branches of the tree spread across everywhere, and in due course of time, the acorn grew into a mighty oak tree. What is the meaning of mighty? Mighty means it grew into a powerful oak tree. From a seed, it grew now finally into a powerful tree. Little by little, said a thoughtful boy, moment by moment, I will well employ, learning a little every day and not spending all my time in play. And still this rule in my mind shall dwell, whatever I do, I will do it well. So seeing the oak tree, a thoughtful boy also planned that moment by moment he is going to learn every day. He decided to become a wise and useful man. He decided that in a similar fashion, just as an acorn symbolizes strength and potential, every child wants to grow up one fine day as a wise and intelligent individual, just like the mighty oak tree. So the boy decided that he will plan and he will not spend all his time playing. He will keep in mind that whatever he will do well. Okay, so this was the plan. Seeing the oak tree, a thoughtful boy decided this, that he is going to have a proper plan. He is not going to waste his time. Okay, and every day he is going to learn something. Little by little, I will learn to know the treasured wisdom of long ago. And one of these days, perhaps we will see that the world will be the better for me. And do you not think that this simple plan made him a wise and useful man? So at last the poet asked a question to his reader, that don't you think that learning the lesson from an oak tree and adopting a simple plan made the boy wise and useful man? Every child wants to grow up one fine day as a wise and intelligent individual, just like the mighty oak tree. So this was the lesson learnt by that thoughtful boy seeing the oak tree. So what is the message of the poem? The message of the poem is how little things change the world, how each little effort matters. In the poem, little by little, the poet wants to express the importance of even the tiniest effort put in any work. The poet focuses the poet focuses on the process which helps in the growth of the high and tall trees like the oak tree. It is the tiny seed. It is the tiny seed that had grown into a big tree. The process of germination of the seed and the growth of the tree symbolizes the efforts which can lead to better result. So the central idea of the poem is to focus on the simple and continuous hard work. Something which looks huge and big stands on the base of numerous little efforts. So this was all about the poem. Now students, the difficult words are given at the end of your lesson. You can see the difficult words are here and the meanings are here. So you can go through all the difficult words and their meanings. Next we have complete the summary of the poem with suitable words or phrases from the help box. So some words are given. Using these words you have to complete the summary of the poem. Let's do it. An acorn improves itself over the year as it lies buried in the earth. First a root grows downwards. At the same time, a tiny shoot appears above the ground. Next, leaves appear on the shoot. Then the branches spread far and wide. Thus, little by little, the acorn grows into a mighty oak. In a similar way, the boy in the poem plans to employ himself well so that he becomes a wise and useful man. Answer these questions. These all questions you have to do in your fair copy. Okay. Answer these questions. What is the rule that the boy says he will keep in mind? The rule that the boy says he will keep in mind is that whatever he will do it well. So this was the rule, that whatever he will do it well. Mention any 3 things that the boy plans to do to become a wise and useful man. So what were the 3 things that the boy planned? The 3 things that the boy plans to do to become a wise and useful man are as follows. Not spend all his time playing. First thing. Okay. Secondly, keep in mind that whatever he will do well. Third, acquire treasured wisdom of long ago. Identify the lines which suggest that our action can make the world a better place. So you have to identify the lines which suggest that our action make the world a better place. So this last para. Little by little I will learn to know the treasured wisdom of long ago, and one of these days perhaps we will see that the world will be the better for me. So these are the lines that tells you that that our action can make the world a better place. Next we have this one is important. Write down any 10 such pairs of rhyming words from the poem. Then add 1 word of your own that rhymes with each pair. So you have to find out the rhyming words from the poem. Day, away, and 1 word you have to add from your own side. I have written May. Grew, drew, dwell, well, tell, root, shoot, boot, said, bed, wide, pride. These words are already in the poem. See, me, boy, employ, day, play, ear, appear. So question and answer, and then these rhyming words you have to do in your fair copy. Okay, now how you are going to start this lesson? First, what you will do, can paste the picture or you can draw the diagram of the germination of seeds. You can draw this diagram. You can show the process of germination of the seed. In this way, you are going to start your lesson. After that, students, you have to write that what are the values or lesson that you learn from nature. Write down 3 to 4 points that what you learn from nature. And after that, you can write the difficult words and then the summary and then the question answer and the rhyming words. Thank you. Thanks for watching.